Hello, Sunny fam. I am Dana, and I'm gonna be taking you through a 15-minute beginner rowing boot camp. All right, so we are gonna start on the ground. I want you to grab some dumbbells if you have them. Otherwise, you can just do all these exercises with body weight, okay? So we're just gonna get warmed up right here. I want you to start with some squats, just taking it down and up. Let's go. Take it down, squeeze up. Perfect. Just down and up, that's it. 4, 3, 2, last one. Just hold it down, hold. Nice and low. Take it down, take it up, full range. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Down, up. Good. Right here, you're just warming up that body, just getting ready to go into these exercises. We're gonna do a quick warm up. Since this is a short workout, we're gonna try to pack a lot in here for you. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. I want you to come on your back. You're going to come right on your back. We're just going to go into some glute bridges, just taking it up and 1 inch off. In 3, 2, let's go. Up, 1 inch off. Up, 1 inch off. Good. 4. Here's 3, 2. Last one. I want you to hold it up. Now pulse, pulse, pulse. 10 seconds right here. Good. Those glutes are starting to burn just a little bit. We're starting to get into the work right here. 4, 3, 2, take it down and up. Let's go. Down, squeeze. 4. You got 3, 2. Hold it up right here. Let's hold it, hold it, holds. Pulse, pulse, good. 10 seconds right here. Just little up, little up. 4, 3, 2, 1. You're gonna grab your knees in. Just give me a little rock and roll. You're gonna massage that spine, taking it back. 3 more. 2. Last one. I want you to hold it up, engage that core. Take your hands just right behind your knees, just a light little grip right there. That's it. So we're just isolating. We're gonna take it out and in. Take it out, pull in, out, pull. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Roll it over. Warming up that upper body a little bit. I just want you on your knees, you guys. We're gonna do some push-ups. Just taking that chest all the way down to the ground and up. Take it down. Push up nice and slow, controlled. Try to tap it all the way down. You can even take your hands up and push up. 2 more. Last one. Take it down, push up. Good. Come into plank position. Hold that plank right there. Draw your right knee into your chest. Push it back. Left knee in. Push it back. Pick up that pace a little bit. And you can pick it up even more. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Come on down. Child's pose. Just stretch it out there. Nice little stretch here. Reaching those fingertips out. Come on up. All right, we're gonna transition over to the rower. So come on to that rower, you're gonna sit down, strapping right above, right on the top of your foot, grabbing onto those handles and pulling back here. Reaching forward and pulling back. So just getting onto the rower today for the first time. Nice and slow and controlled. Good. So I always want to talk to you guys about form, right? A lot of people think that this is an upper body movement because you are pulling back, but the power should come from driving the legs back, all right? That's where you get more power. So start putting that into your workout, pushing through those legs. Okay, so we're gonna pick up that pace on this rower. You should be warm from our warm up on the ground. We're gonna pick it up. I want 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. So we're going in 10 seconds, picking up that pace. Make sure you've got enough resistance on your rower. You can always add to this. First 30-second push. 3, 2, let's go. Drive it. Good, good. 30 seconds, guys. You're halfway. 15. 3, 2, 1, slow it down. Here's your 30-second recovery. So a nice long recovery here. We're going into another 30-second push, okay? We got this. Time to really kick it up a notch. Getting the most out of this workout. Like I said, it's a short one, so we gotta push as hard as we can. 10 seconds, start picking up your pace a little bit. Getting into the rhythm. Getting into that movement. 3, 2, let's go, 30 seconds. Boom. Drive it. $15, little more. 5. One more pull. Boom, slow it down. Good. All right, recover. Going into our next 30 seconds. We got this. That longer recovery, so again, you can breathe, you can slow it down, you can do your best on the next one. All right, 10 seconds. Next 30-second push. In 3, 2, 1, go. Boom, 30. Think about your technique. Think about your form. 10 seconds. And rest. Amazing job. Oh. All right, we've got 2 more of those 30 seconds, okay? So knowing what you've got, knowing how hard you need to push through these next 2. Just 2 more, it's 1 minute of work. We're going in 10 seconds for our next one. All right, prepare for it. Focus on it, commit to it. Start picking it up. All right, let's do it, Sunny fam. 30 seconds. Pull. $15. One more big pull. Slow it down. Good. Okay, you guys, one more. One final 30 seconds on here. We're going to the ground after that. We're gonna do some nice exercises on the ground, some good strength training. Right here, getting that heart rate up. Great cardio conditioning here. So doing a combination of these 2, a great way to maximize your workout. A little bit of everything. The next 24 to 36 hours, you're gonna be burning more at that resting heart rate. More calories, that's what we want, right? Let's go. 30 seconds. This is your last time here. You're halfway there. Getting off this rower after this. Drive. Push. 5 seconds. Last big pull. Good. Slow it down. We're gonna get off this rower. Before we get off, slowing down that breathing, slowing down that heart rate. Ah. All right, when you are ready, rack those handles up, unstrap yourself, coming up off of that rower. All right, you guys, we're gonna go into some floor exercises. So again, if you've got those dumbbells, grab those dumbbells. Otherwise, perfectly fine to do just body weight. So we're gonna start with a reverse lunge into a bicep hammer curl. So you're right here, you're gonna go reverse lunge, hammer curl, alternate. Take it down, into that curl, good. Take it down, curl, perfect. Good, trying not to use that momentum to swing it up. Resist up, resist down. Beautiful. Take it down, curl. Curl. We have 15 seconds left. Take it up. One more each side. Down, curl, down, curl. Awesome. All right, we are gonna go into a lateral lunge into an overhead press with your weights or without your weights, okay? So starting with it, holding them here at your chest, you're gonna go to one side, in the center, up overhead. I want you to stay on the same side. I'll tell you when to switch, let's go. Lateral, overhead. Lateral, overhead, beautiful. Take it down, chest, take it up. Good. You can leave them right at your chest, just taking it down, right into that overhead. You can drop them and then push it up. We're switching sides. So other side, same thing. Take it down, take it up. Push the booty back. Push it up, yes. You got 15 seconds left on this side. Down, up. 5 seconds. One more. Take it up, good, good. All right, you guys. We're gonna go into a deadlift with an upright row. So you're gonna take it down, right here. Palms are facing you. Flat back shoulder blades squeezing together. Slight bend in the knees. Take it down. Upright row, so elbows come up to the ceiling, okay? Let's go. Down, upright row. Upright, yes. Take it down, up. Up, yes. So you can always just do one at a time if you need to. Take it down. One arm up, take it down, other, right? Or both of them. Final few. 3, 2, 1. Good, all right, you're gonna drop one of your dumbbells. Come on up. You're gonna come right here, having all the weight on that front foot. Back leg is just there for balance. Leaning forward a little bit, we're going into tricep kickbacks. Extend. Bring it down. Bring it down, good. Take it down, perfect. Up, down. We're not doing a lot of these, you got it. Final 3. 3, 2, 1. Good, we're gonna switch sides, go right into it, let's go. Extend, extend, good. You're bringing it just right back to your hip. Take it up, get that nice pause. That isolation at the top. Up. 3 more. Here's 3, 2, last one, drop it. Quickly jump on your rower. We're finishing with a 30-second sprint to finish off this workout, you guys. So get on there right away, strap it up. We go right into a 30-second sprint on the rower. 3, 2, all out. Come on. This is where we finish. This is your finale. Everything that you've got left in you. 15 seconds. Just a couple more. One more big pull, let's go. Boom, oh, awesome job. Rack it up. Amazing work, Sunny fam. Be so proud of your efforts today. I will see you guys next time.